Mark.
HP Imagine is all about bringing to life how HP is transforming work to better serve our customers. How has the conversation about hybrid work evolved over this past year?
When we were talking about hybrid work a year ago, it was all about people working from home. We have realized that it's really about offering flexibility. Flexibility for employees to meet the balance that they want in their lives, and flexibility for companies to define jobs in different ways. In some cases, they need employees working in the office multiple days. In other cases, they can be more flexible. Offering that flexibility is really the key thing behind hybrid work.
As far as innovations, which one are you the most excited for attendees to experience?
I think that the new AI PCs are unbelievable, and the productivity improvement they are going to drive is huge.
If there's one message that you want folks to walk away with, what would that be?
I think it's all about the future of work, and HP is going to be in the leading front of riding this change and offering flexibility and fulfillment to employees.